In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Deezer keeps crashing. So there are 10 steps that you can follow. The first thing you want to do is restart your device. A simple restart can fix a temporary glitch causing Deezer to crash. You can simply go ahead and turn off your device, wait a few minutes and turn it back on. If that is not the case, if you have an outdated app, it may also cause crashes and performance issues. Simply check your App Store and Play Store for any available updates and update it on time. If that is not the case and you're on an Android device, you might need to simply go ahead and clear the cache of Deezer. Also, if you have a poor internet connection, then you will definitely face this problem. You might need to simply try switching between your Wi-Fi and your cellular, or even restart your computer. If that is not the case, low storage can also cause apps to crash, so simply go ahead and create a storage space. If that is not the case, you might need to force stop on an Android, reinstall the Deezer application, check for system update, or even disable battery saver. If none of it works, then just go to help.deezer.com. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you